Okay, y'all, if you watched my last vlog, you know that our bathroom mirrors just fell off the wall randomly. One ended up shattering and we needed to replace them. So I was on Instagram one night and I saw an ad for DeerValley Bath and I fell in love with their mirrors, and I love the idea of having a cabinet storage solution as well. And I settled upon the 3-door style that has lighting, a defogger, and even Bluetooth. And so I decided to go with 2 of those to replace our bathroom mirrors. First, we had to prep the wall, so I had my husband get to work getting it ready. We had to remove the old adhesive that was caked on the wall. That was honestly the hardest part because we didn't know what it was or how to remove it. We ended up doing some research and used a heat gun to just basically heat it up and scrape it off. Afterwards, my husband kind of just put mud over the spots and sanded and then finally painted. Once he finished doing that, he measured and made sure everything was level. We were a bit nervous just because we don't have a stud that is correctly spaced out behind this wall, but we decided to just go with it, and we used the anchors and screws that came with the mirror. I was so happy when he hung the mirror up. Installation was really easy and didn't take long at all. I will say this would be a 2-person job just by having to lift the mirror, but I think 1 person could actually get this done as well. My husband did the whole thing by himself. Honestly, I was just there for moral support. There is a plug to power the lights and the other features, but the way our outlet is, the cord didn't reach. So I ended up using an extension cord, and eventually we'll hire an electrician to come and probably hide the wire. But for right now, this is how we're going to use it, and it doesn't really bother me. I actually really love the way everything turned out. I love this mirror because of the storage options, and the glass shelving is so nice. I love the lights especially, and the Bluetooth is a nice plus. Overall, these mirrors are truly luxurious and are a wonderful addition to our bathroom. Our bathroom truly feels like a spa now. We do plan on adding some under cabinet lighting to really enhance the counter space, but my husband is super happy that I won't have the counter cluttered with all of my beauty products. Thank you so much to DeerValley Bath for crafting such a high quality product. If you're interested in this mirror, I do have a link in the description box. If you'd like to purchase, I also have a discount code for you to get 15% off using my name, Maddie, and 15. That's all for today, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.